This 2025 Leisure Travel Wonder 24RL is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Lakeland, FL 33809 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Lakeland. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new leisure travel is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features Murphy bed. This 2025 Leisure Travel Wonder 24RL is built on a Ford Transit dual rear-wheel chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.